Hi, I'm Blessing and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to filter your data in Excel. If you have a spreadsheet with random figures and numbers that are all scattered in different columns or rows, this method will show you how to do that. When filtering your data, it allows you to hide some data you don't need at the moment. Also display the rows that matches your criteria. For example, if you have a list of sales record, you can filter it to only show sales from a certain month, products for that month, or salesperson. All right, let's go into it.
Now, as a VA, you're given this data to work with, and you can't work with this. First things first, first of all, you click on this column there, on that date, click on the date and press Ctrl A. It will automatically copy all this. Then, of course, we want to like shift the rows. Instead of you shifting them one by one, you come here, you click on Alt H O I. As you can see now, the rule has adjusted. So now let's try and move all the spaces. So you click on this, then Control A to select the table once again. Then you go to Alt H O A. So now our table has formed. As you can see, the names here are not in order. Some are in capital letters, while some are in small letters. So what do? We duplicate this and fix it. Let's fix it. Click on this. Let's insert a column. So you come and type name. Then after name, what's the next thing? Let's use the trim and proper method. So you come and you type equal to trim, open bracket, proper, open bracket, C, the number of the column, number 2, C2, close bracket, and another close bracket, then you click enter. So now that we've gotten John, come here, click on John, double click on it and draw it down. Good. So now we just duplicate this, but these are in well formed manner. So for us to be able to, if you want to try and delete this, it won't go. So for us to be able to save this and delete this, we have to save. You click on this, Ctrl C. Now we've copied it. Then you come to Alt H V. Then now you'll be able to delete this. So now we've gotten this. Now. So what's the next thing? Now let's create our table. Start from here. Now we use this method. The same method I taught you guys earlier. Is blue. Then you change this to white. Either we use this method, then click here and Ctrl T. We're trying to create a table. Say okay. Now we just created a table for you can adjust it a little bit. So this is how you play a rough table in just 1 minute.
Thank you for watching till the end. I believe by now you would have gotten some tips or an idea on how to filter your data using Excel. If you found this helpful, kindly subscribe, click like, and drop a comment. Thank you.